no, it's not a percolator. It doesn't drip. Hot dog.
What?
I mean, no.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Diamond, where are you? Leave your chair sitting.
Where are you, Diamond? Where are you, Diamond?
Be nice. You be nice to Diamond.
Misty, come here, Miss.
Chew.
Misty, come here.
Misty, where are you? Misty's hiding.
No, she's not friendly. Come here. Come here.
Come here, Misty.
Come here. Come here, Misty.
Is that little one gonna replace me? Come here. Come on.
Trying to get Diamond?
See, maybe they'll make friends now.
Hold on. Maybe if I pet one of them and then pet the other.
Oh, they're making friends. See, they're friends. They're not jumping each other.
She growled though.
Diamond did?
Yeah. Good.
Diamond. Hey,
That's fine. To tell Roxy stuff.
cut it out, you.
It sounds like Roxy.
No,
No,
that's
it's
not-
Diamond.
That's Diamond.
I know how growl Roxy is big.
Yes, I'm wearing my pajamas.
Feel the inside of this jacket.
Thomas, so are you.
Look at that.
Hey,
Oh, no, I'm
No.
wearing actual clothes.
big girl. No, Roxy. No, that was her. What'd she do?
She growled.
Snapping.
Roxy, behave.
Jeez, your phone is a lot bigger.
What are you doing? She's telling Roxy, leave me alone.
Come here, Misty. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, good. Come here.
Diamond.
Come here. You're okay, baby. You're okay. Wow, she's just so cute.
Get out of her ears. She doesn't like that. She doesn't even like it when I do it.
I can still fit.
Hi, Rox. Hello, guys. Ano na ba? Oh my God, it's late. It's 4:03 already in the afternoon. And I just started vlogging really because I just want to let you know that when Tommy get home from work, we're gonna go upstate. So yeah, so I probably see you again later, guys, when we're driving up there. And these two dogs, I'm gonna miss this dog. I'm going to miss this puppy, not papa, puppy. Why you have to hold the hand that have the camera, huh? Why you have to do that, huh? Why, baby? Why, Toes? I love you, baby, Toes. I'm going to miss my princess. I'm going to miss my princess. And Mystical too. My Mystical. Mystical. I can't wait for the spring and summer so far because I can do you a shower for my two babies. Do you want to do shower now? Who wants to do the shower now? Do you want to go do it now? Shower now? Oh my lordy, no. Oh my lordy, not to a shower now? Mystical, do you want to go shower now? Do you want to look at that? Hi guys, Tommy called, and yeah, he just called, and I'm gonna get ready. Well, I think I'm just gonna wear this, guys, because you know, I'm just gonna go to the car and do like, I'm just gonna wear this with the jacket and the coat because it's freezing outside, and then I'm gonna go to clean your leather because Mama is not gonna be here for a few days again. And so I'm gonna get ready and I will see you in the car. Do you want to go with me? Do you wanna go? What do you want? Do you wanna go get Dada? Dada's on the way here. Dada! What is it? Did you find him? Did you find Dada? Oh, that's Dada. Let's go get him. Okay, Dada. Okay, let's go get him. Yes, go get Dada. The light outside is on. What is that, Misty? Oh, your bark is really sharp. Ah, Dada's here. Oh my goodness, Dada here. Hi, Dada. What is that? Sausage? Sausage?
What?
Sandwich? Look, you said when you turn it on, it's ready to press. But no, you still have to keep making noise.
It's not ready yet. Gotta heat the what?
That's what I said. It's need to be heated, the whole thing.
No, not the whole thing. We just went through this.
I know. But it's making noises. It's in this area here.
Sucks the water into the back.
I know. You told me
It's
that.
in here.
But look, it's supposedly heating when it's dropping.
No, it's not a percolator. It doesn't drip heat like a automatic drip coffee maker. This heats in here and then it spits the hot water up.
Oops.
You can see there's no heating element in here.
Look, you have to do this like that, and then now it's like that.
Where's Grandma?
She just went up.
What happened?
She just went upstairs. Coffee. Hi guys, it's 9:45 in the evening, and we are on the way upstate. Well, at least there's no traffic. But it's weekend, and there's a lot of drunk drivers. In this town here, there's none, right? If you go to the city.
Drunk drivers?
No, if you go to the city, you can see more of that.
Plenty of drunk drivers here too.
Hmm?
You see plenty of drunk drivers here. Actually, see less in the city.
It's less?
Yeah, because
Because of the
city take
train?
cabs and trains.
Okay. Hon, what happened to you?
I'm doing 60. This is 45 still. Yeah. So if I'm doing 60, it's 15 miles over the speed limit.
Oh, cops over there.
So the question is, how many miles over the speed limit is he going?
What is that car over there flying from the other road?
I guess.
Hi, gee.
I'm flying off the exit and make the turn, but when I'm on the grass, I don't know.
So anyway, we will see you later, and
I'm gonna go take care of the cane cats.
yeah, 2 kittens, and
Well, they're not kittens, but yeah. I like the way the truck handles that.
huh?
I like the way the truck handles that.
I know. This one handles
Car
really.
should handle better. Around the curve.
Yeah.
Car should handle better.
This one is kinda.
Closer to the ground, it should be tighter.
Yeah, but this one is kinda really like easy to do like that. It's easy for us to flip out.
I'm not used to it, I guess.
But the car, it's nicer when you do turning. The truck, it's more easier for me to do turning than this one. I kind of wiggle everywhere, this car. I know, but you know, at least he is safe.
Maybe.
This is the scary part, this route, guys, going to my sister-in-law's house, because it's kind of very narrow, 2 lanes. Well, it's 4, but it's divided the other way and the other two ways, and the 2 lanes in one way, two lanes, too close to each other, and then the other side is a wall, so it seems like you're hitting the wall. It's kind of scary though.
Very curvy.
Yeah, it's not just straight like narrow, it's curvy narrow. Like, oh my god, this curve, every like few steps you see curve, like very sharp curve. That's why I kind of hold on like, oh my god, honey, slow down, honey. This is the route that I can't drive. I drove here a bunch, but I kind of like, oh my lordy. And it's 38 degrees outside, guys. It's cold. You are flying. Wow, Tommy. Huh? Oh. Yeah. There's cups. Because people are speeding here. That's what you get. This is where our exit. And the cats are here. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, baby. Zoe, you wanna go out? Do you want to go out? What's happened to this house? It's a disaster. It's never been like this.
They probably did it that way. So.
Freddy's out already?
Yeah.
Okay. And I hear the radio is on too. Hi, Fred. Come here. Oh, come here, Zuzu. Come here, Zoe. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're crying when we get in here. You are crying, baby. Yeah. You're crying, baby. Oh, my baby. Zoe. Zoe. Zoe, look. Look, look. Good job. Are you sad? We come here over here, guys, to let them out, that they can enjoy outside for a few hours. But she doesn't want to go because she is waiting for... What are you waiting for? Your din-din, right, Zoe? And Tommy won't give them anything yet. Until Freddy get in. Oh, poor baby. Zoe! She's just staring at the door.
I kept looking to make sure I didn't see him rolling around the street because... Oh, you know what?
What? What happened? Okay. So it's 12:15 already, guys. And we just left the house. My sister-in-law's house. I will see you in my house, in our house. Hi guys, we're here. The first thing I'm going to do is find Tommy a food. Eat food, 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 eat food. There's nothing in there, huh? So we're both hungry. Well, he is more hungry than I am. He doesn't eat dinner. I eat soup. There is another one over here. Well, you don't like this kind. Huh? I don't know. You don't like this, right? This kind? This one, the little one.
No.
I'm going to drink some water, guys, because my tutunlan is masakit. And I can't open it. I can't open it, baby.
How are you holding the camera? It's already open.
Okay.
You want a hot dog?
What?
I mean, no. What do you want?
I don't want anything. That water tastes funny.
Why would it taste funny?
I don't know. My flower, my bonsai is not good looking, guys. Still fine, but it's kind of dying.
I want to bend the knife.
Oh, careful with that counter, huh? Hot dog, diggity dog. What are you looking? Paper plate? It's right there. Paper plate is right there, hon. Under.
Oh, way back.
I'm going to end this vlog. I'm gonna get some blanket for my baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is mine. This is my blanket. Tommy is going back to the other house tomorrow morning to drop my mother-in-law to dialysis. Yeah, so it's gonna be early. Freezing. Did you turn the heater on? 70, that's not enough. 70? Not enough.
Won't you have any quicker if you put it to 90 yet? It doesn't work that way.
I'm just going to...
A lot of people think, oh, if I make it higher, it'll get hotter quicker. No, it doesn't.
Oh, that's not true? Like when you do it like higher quick. Hungry, Han? Okay, guys. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. And yeah, it's freezing. What can I tell you? I'm not gonna take off.
Coming out, I can feel that.
I'm not gonna take off my coat yet because I'm still coldy. Good night, guys. Night. See you tomorrow. Good night, Han.
Alright.